Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Hindi, English and Creativity. Do like, share, subscribe my channel. Myself Ashmishina. How are you all today? I am good. Hope you all are also good. Today we are going to learn domestic and farm animals. Let's start. Goat. This one is goat. Cow. This one is cow. Calf. This is calf. Dove. This is dove. Duck. This is duck. Hen. This is hen. Dog. This is dog. Donkey. This is donkey. Rat. This one is rat. Cat. This is cat. Rooster. This is rooster. Rabbit. This one is rabbit. Sheep. This is sheep. Lamb. This is lamb. Parrot. This is parrot. Turkey. This is turkey. Rat. This is rat. Buffalo. This is buffalo. Camel. This one is camel. Swan. This is swan. Pigeon. This is pigeon. Squirrel. This one is squirrel. Goose. This is goose. Pig. This is pig. Horse. This is horse. Pigeon. This is pigeon.